Okay, today I'm taking a look at the haisstronica heat shrink butt connectors. So this is very well packed. I'm used to seeing connectors like this that are all like well packed when they're in the pictures, but when they come to you, they're all jumbled up. So this is actually very nice looking. Because they're all packed like that, that means that they're actually packed very efficiently, so it's not wasting a lot of space. So we got 16 to 14s, 22 to 16s, 12 to 10s, and then we got the tiny 26 to 24s. Now I often use the solder seal style, so that's gonna have a little solder in the middle, and when you heat this thing up, it actually melts that solder. Now that can be great unless you're using these things around heat, so if you're putting this in an engine compartment or something like that, the heat can actually remelt the solder and then you lose a connection. With these, they actually got a piece of metal in here, so the idea is you're going to crimp this down. You can heat shrink down the ends to make the seal, and that's going to make a nice connection that you're not going to have to worry about even when it gets hot. Every tool has its purpose, and that is what I use these for. So what we're going to do is stick our wire in the center and put it in our crimper. Give it a crimp, and we got a nice good connection. It's already starting to get hot. There we go. Nice, solid, sealed connection. So this is a great kit. I will be using these.